Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today we are going to learn about a very important English word. The word is accident. Are you ready? Let's begin our learning journey together. So, what is an accident? An accident is something that happens by mistake. It is not planned. Nobody wants an accident to happen. It just happens suddenly and we did not mean for it to happen. Let me show you some examples of accidents. A child might trip and fall while running. A bicycle might fall over on the street. Someone might spill juice on the table. These are all accidents because they happen by mistake. Now, are all accidents the same? No. Some accidents are small and okay. Maybe you drop a pencil. That is a small accident. But some accidents are big and can hurt people. We need to be careful to avoid big accidents. Why do accidents happen? There are three main reasons. First, we are not careful enough. Second, something breaks or does not work properly. Third, something surprises us and we did not expect it. Understanding why helps us stay safe. Now I want to tell you a short story about an accident. This story will help you understand the word better. Listen carefully and imagine the story in your mind. Are you ready for the story? Once upon a time, there were two children named Anna and Ben. They were best friends. One sunny day, Anna and Ben went to the park to play together. They were very happy and excited to play outside. Anna loved to run very fast. She started running across the park. She was having so much fun. But Anna was not watching where she was going. There was a small rock on the ground, but Anna did not see it. Suddenly, Anna's foot hit the rock. She tripped and fell down on the grass. Oh no! Anna had an accident. She fell because she did not see the rock. It happened by mistake. Anna did not plan to fall. Ben saw Anna fall. He quickly ran to help his friend. Ben helped Anna stand up. He asked, "Are you okay?" Anna said, "Yes, I am okay." "Thank you, Ben." Anna was not hurt badly. She was lucky. Anna learned an important lesson from this accident. She learned that she must watch where she runs. She must be more careful. Now Anna always looks at the ground when she runs in the park. Good job, Anna. After an accident, what should you do? Here are three important steps. First, stay calm and do not panic. Second, ask for help if you need it. Third, tell an adult what happened. These steps will keep you safe. Let's practice some conversations about accidents. Imagine Anna is at school. She tells her teacher, "I fell down." The teacher asks, "Are you okay?" Anna answers, "Yes, I am okay now." This is how we talk about accidents at school. Now imagine Ben is at home. He accidentally spills juice on the floor. Ben says to his mom, "I spilled juice." "I am sorry." His mom says, "It is okay. Let's clean it up together." See? We can talk calmly about accidents. Sometimes we need to ask for help after an accident. A child might say, "Help. I fell down." A friend can answer, "I am here. I will help you." It is good to ask for help when you need it. We should also explain what happened. Anna might say, "I did not see the rock on the ground." Ben can reply, "Be careful next time, Anna." Explaining helps others understand the accident and how to prevent it next time. If the accident is more serious, you might need to talk to a doctor. The doctor will ask, "What happened to you?" You can answer, "I fell down and hurt my knee." The doctor will help you feel better. In an emergency, someone might need to make a phone call. The caller says, "My friend fell and is hurt." The emergency operator answers, "Help is coming soon." Stay calm. Knowing how to call for help is very important. Let's learn some important words about accidents. Trip means your foot hits something and you almost fall. Fall means you go down to the ground. Spill means liquid goes out of a container. Hurt means you feel pain. Remember these words. How can we stay safe and avoid accidents? Here are 4 tips. Watch where you go. Second, walk carefully and do not run in dangerous places. Third, use your hands to protect yourself if you fall. Fourth, tell someone if you are hurt. Now let's practice talking about accidents. Try to say these sentences out loud with me. I had an accident. I fell down. I need help, please. Good. Practice these sentences every day to improve your English speaking. Let's take a mini quiz to check what you learned. Question 1. Is an accident on purpose? No, it is not. Question 2. Do accidents happen by mistake? Yes, they do. Question 3. Should you tell an adult if you are hurt? Yes, always tell an adult. Let's look at more real-life situations where accidents happen. A child might fall on the playground. A bike might fall in the street. Someone might spill water on the floor at home. These accidents can happen to anyone, anywhere. Sometimes we cause an accident that affects someone else. We should say sorry. For example, sorry, I did not mean to spill water on you. The other person can say, it is okay. It was an accident. Being polite is important. We should also know how to help a friend after an accident. You can ask, are you okay? Do you need help? Your friend might answer, thank you for helping me. You are a good friend. Helping others is a kind thing to do. What should you do if you see an accident happen to someone else? First, stay safe yourself. Second, call for help or tell an adult. Third, stay with the person until help arrives. Do not leave them alone if they are hurt. Let's review what we have learned today. An accident means something that happens by mistake. Accidents can be small or big. You should tell someone if you are hurt. Always be careful and stay safe to avoid accidents. Here is one final practice conversation. A child says, I fell down on the playground. An adult asks, are you hurt? Where does it hurt? The child answers, my knee hurts a little. Can you help me, please? Perfect. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You did a great job. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember to be careful and stay safe. Keep learning new words with Wordscience. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wordscience. We have many more English lessons waiting for you. Click the subscribe button now. Do you have any questions about the word accident? Try to practice talking about accidents with your friends and family. Use the sentences we learned today. Thank you for watching Wordscience. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.